Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Nicole and today I have a Trollbeads unboxing to share with you. So I do not have a Trollbeads store anywhere near me. Like I would literally have to drive 7-8 hours away to go to a Trollbeads store. Well, recently I was traveling to Omaha, Nebraska and I had to look like, okay, do they have a Trollbeads store or a place that sells Trollbeads so that I can go look at their items like in real life. And luckily I found a little boutique that did have some Trollbeads charms, and I was able to find 5 charms that I had to have. So stay tuned and take a look at what I picked from Trollbeads. Alright, we will take a look at the first charm from Trollbeads, and I cheated a little bit and they wrote the name of the charm right there. Go! This glass bead is their Desert Rose bead. Take a close-up look of this. This bead is mostly pink in the core, but it's also got like some green coloring in there, and then the gold flakes on there are just so pretty, and it really makes this charm shimmer. And what I really appreciated about being able to pick this out in real life is the glitter is like different on all of them. The coloring's different on all of them. And so I was able to pick the one that really spoke to me the most. Okay, next up we have the pink conch bead, which I actually thought was really similar to the Desert Rose, but this more had like the pink, it was a little bit more like shell looking, I guess you can say. Like if you think about looking on the inside of a seashell, that's almost what it reminds me of, but it has the same tone. So it still has the pink, the kind of greenish grayish tones, and then of course that kind of gold sparkle. And I can't tell if it's gold sparkle or like a rose gold sparkle, but either way, I love the sparkle. Next up we have the Power of Hope bead. Now this bead has like different tones in it. It's kind of on the bluish, grayish, purplish side, and again it has those same glitter flakes throughout it. They're just really beautiful pieces, and I had a really hard time narrowing down what I was going to get. I don't have design ideas for these, but I did think that they may all go very well together, so who knows how these will be used in a future design. Next up in here we have the puzzle spacer. This was just recently put out for Mother's Day, and it was something I had my eye on. I'm really glad that I was able to get it. Puzzles just is perfect because one of Presley's favorite things to do is put puzzles together. So one, not only do we like doing puzzles, but then the symbolism that they have for Mother's Day, I just thought it was perfect, and I love this spacer. And last but not least, I actually know which one this is now because it's the last one. This one is called Moon Ocean, and it is probably one of the most unique Trollbeads glass beads that I have. When I saw this one, it was bubbled and the little dots and the different shades of blue. It actually reminds me of water droplets. It's just really, really stunning, and there's almost like a metallic, like the glass bead itself almost has a metallic look to it. And then you have these drops on top of it. I have some blue like beads I think will go pretty well with this. So when I saw this, I just knew that this had to belong in my collection because I don't have a bead that is like this. So thank you, Trollbeads, for making something so like unique, and really excited to design with this one as well. So there you have it. Those are the items that I picked from Trollbeads. I do wish that they had some of the like gemstone beads. That way I could have taken a look at those. There's a few that I want, but I really want to be able to see those in person, so I'm holding off for now. But I'm really happy with what I got, especially the little puzzle spacer that was released for Mother's Day. It's so cute. In the comment section below, let me know which charm you liked best or which bead you liked best. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here. And do not forget to click the little notification bell. That way you are notified the next time I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time.